We will be learning about control gate in this video, and as we already know, there is a control gate and a target gate, and a target gate will flip only when the control gate is 1. Now let us talk a little bit about X gate, Z gate and H gate. The X gate turns 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, whereas the Z gate turns the negative to positive or the positive to negative, and the H gate changes 0 to positive or positive to 0 or negative to 1 or 1 to negative. We'll be doing all the codings in Google Colab. First of all, let us install the Blueqat. To install Blueqat, type the code !pip install Blueqat. We have already done this in the previous videos. Now let's go on to the next topic. Let us study about CX and CZ gate. First we will be learning about CX gate. Type the code that is shown here. The X0 will flip the first qubit to 1. If you run this code, the output will be 1 1. Let us confirm the operation in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Then click on the play button, and as we can see, the output is 1 1. Now let us see how we got that output. Initially the qubits will be 0 0, and after applying X gate to the 0th qubit, the 0th qubit will flip to 1, and after applying the CX gate, since the control gate is 1, the target gate will also flip, so therefore the output will be 1 1. Now let us study about CZ gate. Type the code that is shown in Google Colab, and then if you run this code, you will get the output as 1 1. Let us confirm this operation in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. In this code, we are applying the X gate to the 0th qubit and H gate to the first qubit. Click on the play button to run the code, and as we can see, the output is 1 1. Let us see how we got that output. Initially the qubits were 0 0. After applying X gate to the 0th qubit, the 0th qubit flipped to 1. Then we applied H gate to the first qubit. After we applied H gate to the first qubit, the H gate turns to positive. 0 will turns to positive. And then we applied the CZ gate. Since the control gate here is 1, the target gate will flip, so the positive will change to negative. Then we applied H gate to the first qubit. After applying H gate, the negative will change to 1. Therefore we got the output as 1 1. Now let us talk about RZ gate. Type the code that is shown on the screen. Then after we run this code, we will get the output as 1 1. Let us confirm this operation in Google Colab. Type the code and click on the play button to run the code. We get the output as 1 1. We saw that the earlier code for the RZ gate was a bit long, but in Blueqat we can shorten it to this code. This code is shorter than the previous code, and if we run this code, we will get the same output as 1 1. Now let us confirm it in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown, the shorter code, and if we click on the play button, we get the same output as 1 1.